All right, installing my rearview mirror. So here are all the parts you have. There are 3 screws I'm missing, but they're in the on the roof right now. Um, so since I got my headliner in already, I have to cut out and find the screws in the headliner here. Okay, so I have the screws in here, so I take my finger and I can find out where they're at. So I'll need to get a knife and cut that area out where the screws are. And there's 2 up here, 1 there and here. Okay, so we've got 3 screws. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that area out. And then we got our cover here. So you don't want to cut anywhere near the bigger than your cover goes, because that goes like this. All right. So you want to make sure that you don't cut off too much of your headliner. So I'm going to cut just a small hole, probably here, just enough to get the bracket in. And then you don't want your bracket to pinch down on the headliner, because it'll crease the headliner. So let's get started. All right, here we go. Screw hole there. And we got one here, and we got one there. And then you can take your cover and put it on it. If you need to cut more, I think that's good enough. And then make sure you got some good gaps here. Mine's really, really tight, so I'll have to kind of finagle it in. You can kind of see just a tad overlap of the trim. See here, line it up there on that side. All right, so I'll see if I can get a mallet and kind of work that either way. All right, I just couldn't fit it in. The gap here was too small, and I couldn't hit it over. The glue from the window when it was installed spilled over just a little bit, not enough to glue it to it, but enough to kind of hold it still. I couldn't get it over. So I had to pull this off, pull my arm pillar down just a little bit, grab the edge, and pull that off. So we'll try again. All right, so now it's on, so it's just loose. So I got 2 screws in. And then this piece right here needs to go in front. So you got to be able to get that sucker on there and see how much of a gap I have. Okay, so I've got to get that trim all the way over. So when I put this trim on, I did not center it. So I got to take it all the way off, all the way down there, and then relocate it and center it, which is not going to be fun. All right, there we go. So the trim's just hanging now, so I'll put that up once I final this. But there you go. Okay, now we can move forward. So I'll take this back off. I'll tuck it in the headliner. Okay, now it's on there. So we got the 2 screws here. And there's a 3rd one here, but that is the one that goes in and holds this on. So now we want to go and a little bracket. So this goes like that. Okay. But we want to get our mirror, rear mirror. Okay, here. And then what we want to do is we want to put this on, so we got to stick it through the hole. Okay. And then I can't do it with 2 hands, but it clips on like that. Okay. And then it goes up like that. So the mirror goes on this, okay, and it clips on. So like that. Okay. So I'll show you how I did that. Okay, hold your hand like that. Just do one side at a time, and presto. Okay, and then we'll get our screw in here, hold the mirror in place. All right, here we go. To be honest, I don't know what position this arm is supposed to be in, but I'm sitting here in the driver's seat and I'm adjusting it to where, you know, it should be. So I'm centering it like this, and it has a decent angle. Okay, and then we'll tighten that up all the way. Screw right there. I know not super tight, man. It has a screw on it. I'm using my ratchet. I mean, just literally just. That's it. You're not really cranking on it. All right, and then we have our cover. So for the cover, light. See, there's an edge on the cover there, and that hooks on to here, right there. All right. So you hold this at an angle. You hook that sucker on like that, so it covers. You push it in, yeah, like that. So nothing shows when you look in the window. And we'll get that screwed on. All right, there we go. And I'll adjust your mirror. So you got a screw on the side here. Adjust the mirror so it stays in place. Like that. And then mine has the little switch on there for the high beams. Switch it over back and forth. And then I'll reattach my trim here. And that is it.